how freaky are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
5.
5? Why not a 10?
No.
Oh, so really
Because I love me suck, sorry.
Back again, you don't know, Kxng Nuke there, and today we are going to do a public interview, you see it. So today we are going to ask them if we can come in their face with 100,000. So they don't know anything where they don't know, so me always there with the bang of them, and the bang of them non-stop, you see it, and I'm out. It's a boy Kxng Nuke and I'm here with
She.
Alright, the first question I ask is, on a scale on 1 to 10, how freaky are you?
That's about freaky, like.
Yeah, freaky. On a scale of 1 to 10.
Mommy, if you watch this is not your child. I'm not going to answer that question.
Alright, so in my knowledge, what I say, 5 then. In between.
Interesting.
Yeah. So really question me want to ask you today is, if you don't make me come in your face for $100,000.
Cap.
Hell no. But any come in my face almost like this. Up in my grill.
Alright, 200,000. 500.
Nah.
Million.
Nah.
So you don't make me come in your face and talk about your breast then. Oh. Alright, that's it. You want to show the... It's not easy at all. You want to show the Instagram?
Sundar_JA or KAYLA_DANI. That's Kayla_Danny.
I don't know if you go follow up on the camera already. I don't know, you see. I know Kxng Nuke there. I'm there with
Kayla.
Alright, first question I ask you to the Kayla, how freaky are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
No, don't ask me them questions.
Alright, I ask you one different question then. What's your type?
My type is tall, dark chocolate. If you go to church, if you have a job, if you have one off, you know, if you have a car, but you have to have a place and things.
That means me could be your type then. So the question I ask you there is 5 inches enough?
5 inches enough? Definitely 5 inches is enough.
So as long as you can work your 5 inches?
Yes. It don't matter about the size, it matters how you can work it.
Alright, thank you, that's it. You want to show you the Instagram?
So please go follow me at sugarplum_.chick.
Alright, that's it. Dog, we say we're there, you know. And we say we interview them and go on. No, we get like 2 persons, you see. And watch her. Rain start fall. You see it? 3 over there. I do one public interview, you see it? See bro, yeah? That price, you see it? Subscribe. Bro got TK. Don't know anything already, you see me? So we there, I go and do one public interview and rain start fall. So you don't know anything already, you see it? I want to try to get some people in the rain, see me, but we don't really care. You see me? Yeah, that means I couldn't know. So if the video short, because I rain, you see it? At 2 somebody get already. And we start later, we start like from about 4 o'clock. And like after 5 now. Yeah. The time kinda stay bright, but the rain fall. You know even can see me, but if the video short, I just can rain fall as it. So hope you enjoy the video same way. You don't know Kxng Nuke there, I'm there with
Shani.
Alright, the first question me ask is, how freaky are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
5.
Cap.
5? Why not a 10?
No.
Oh, so really
Because I love me suck, sorry.
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Oh, okay, that make it perfect for the question, you see it? So really question more answer today, you see me? Is if you would have me come in your face for $100,000.
No, me good.
Mommy?
Me good.
200,000.
Me good.
500.
Good.
Say it more civilized.
Good.
So you're good?
Good, yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
free.
Later.
Alright, show you the Instagram.
Shani Bull 8.
I don't know if you go follow up on the camera already. Nuke there, I'm there with
Christina.
Alright, Christina, first question me ask you today, single or taken?
Single.
Oh, say less.
Ready to mingle?
No.
What's your type?
Handsome, tall, and strong.
Oh.
Prince Charming.
Oh, so what if he's short, handsome and strong and Prince Charming?
You know for short on me though.
Taller than her?
Yeah.
About my
I see
eye.
my every day.
She want me.
Okay, say this. Alright, so the real question I want to ask you is, would you let me bust a nut in your face for $100,000?
No
Cap.
friend.
Why not?
That not happen.
200,000?
No, same way
500?
you put that much money in that happen.
Why not?
No.
Yeah, so, alright, on a scale of 1 to 10, how freaky are you?
1.
1?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds like a lot. Alright, so show it to the Instagram.
Chrissy_B16 Instagram.
Follow her, don't know anything already. Kxng Nuke. Oh. Alright, it's a boy Kxng Nuke and I'm here with.
Nikki.
Alright, so the first question I ask you is, how freaky are you on a scale of 1 to 10? Come in. You don't have to give a 0. It can be anything less than 5. I'm not freaky.
Yes, excellent.
30.
What?
The break scale.
30, alright, bet. So that means you really can't answer my question then. So the real question I gotta ask you is, if you could have made me come in your face for $100,000.
No.
Cap.
200,000.
No.
500.
No.
Why not?
Come on to come in on my face.
How about your breast them? Me.
This is what I need to say to you. You look so beautiful. I want to have sex with you.
What have to think about it?
I have to think about it. Alright, bet. So that's a question. So you want to show it to the Instagram?
_INDIICA_.
And your YouTube.
Pretty indica.
And make sure say when you subscribe, you see it. I'm going to drop a link in the description. I don't know anything already. Kxng Nuke out. Alright, you don't know say Kxng Nuke there. I'm there with
Ashley.
Alright, Ashley, first question I ask you is, what's your type?
What's my type?
Yeah, in man.
I know some that really have one type though.
So me could have be a type.
Maybe.
She want me.
Maybe. Alright, so the real question I'm gonna ask you is, alright, the question is kind of PG still. You see me? So the real question I'm gonna ask you is, if you know me coming in your face for $100,000.
No sir.
Why not? 200,000.
My blood clot.
Just to come in here. We don't even know if you have sex right now. Just come in your face and you just look up on me.
I'm not frightened for money.
For free?
Not even for free.
Alright, bet. You have a social media you want to shout out? Alright, bet. Alright guys, you preach it in a video. You don't know say I always come with the bang of them and I see it. So what I want to do, like, comment, share and subscribe. And remember say I don't want iPhone 7 giveaway. So all you have to do, I just follow everything in the description and the entire giveaway. You don't know anything already. Kxng Nuke out. Peace.